Hi, I'm Karys. I'm an emotional needs and resources trainer with Suffolk Mind. And before I took on that role, I was actually a teacher for 22 years. But I decided I wanted to change careers, and I knew that I wanted to move into psychotherapy. And I was lucky enough to start working in the mental health arena. And when I first started the Human Givens Diploma, I felt really connected to the organising idea and was able to actually apply that approach to my own life. And I feel like I've been experiencing the benefits ever since. So I sensed really early on that this would be an approach that would allow me to help clients really quickly, because the ideas are so easy to connect to and so relevant to daily life, which made it very different from other courses in counselling that I had taken previously, where perhaps the ideas were quite abstract and almost created a kind of them and us sense when working with people, that I had knowledge that they couldn't possibly have and understand, whereas the Human Givens organising idea is so accessible to everybody that I felt like this was something that lots of people would be able to connect with and be able to see the benefits that I'd felt myself from it. I've really appreciated how thoroughly organised the learning journey is on the Human Givens Diploma, and in particular the part 2 2 weeks that you can have, where you're thoroughly immersed in all of the techniques, the language, and the different therapeutic approaches that you would take with clients. It is a really challenging 2 weeks, and you certainly find yourself needing an early night at the end of each day, but it's really rewarding, and the tutors really guide you through the learning in a way that's really holistic. You have daily relaxation sessions and also daily information retrieval sessions, so that you feel so prepared for the end exam on the final week of the 2 weeks. And despite it being really hard work, you develop really strong bonds with the other people who are with you on your part 2, and those bonds are long lasting. So you feel really well supported throughout the 2 weeks, not just by the tutors, but by your fellow students as well, because each of us wanted the other to be successful. And there's a real emphasis on the 2 weeks on practicing the different techniques that you learn, and watching different people practicing those techniques as well. So it's very practical, which I think sets it apart from other courses that I've been involved with. And you're really encouraged to be self-reflective and open to support in a way that I think just allows you to be prepared for supervision in the future, and enables you to develop that mindset of constant development throughout your career, so that you're able to continue to innovate and develop your skills as a practitioner. It's just a really rich 2 weeks. So I would wholeheartedly recommend the Human Givens Diploma. I've come out of it feeling knowledgeable and well prepared to begin my development towards part 3